to flood our canvas with this house interior paint, and I think for my design, I don't quite see a design that I've created on here yet, so I think I'll just perhaps create one real quick. What I'm thinking about. So this is a longer canvas, like 20 inches by 10 inches. And so my design is going to be like very vertical. So, and I think I'll probably have like a little focal point right here. I'll have something coming out like this and like this, and kind of like this. I think we'll just start creating, and I think it'll come to me, but I think it's going to look something like that. So yeah, that's about what I'll do. I think we're about ready to go. I'm going to flood my canvas, and then we can start designing. We're going to start off with the burnt umber to start creating my design. And I will put a little dot right there. Since this is a small canvas, I won't need a whole lot of paint. I need to remember that I don't need a lot of paint. I'll just start seeing what the design looks like first. So a nice simple design, but I think it looks pretty good. We'll start off with that. I'm gonna layer on top of it my bronze. So almost the same color, but this gives it a little bit, you know, that bronzy look. So it should mix nice together. These colors will really look good together. I'm not trying to be too overly neat because it is getting blown together. I want it fall looking. But not too dark. And add in this blue. Yeah, let's just try it and see if these colors work, and let's see if this design works. go with those colors. All right, so I think we're about ready to get going with the botanical technique on this. We'll put the focal point right here, and we'll just get going. There we go, guys. I think she came out so stunning with her colors. And I'm gonna bring that center a little bit more prominent, and I'm gonna put this blue in the center. So that will help bring that blue out. Nice little dot right there in the center, and there we go, guys. Oh, I think she looks so pretty on this canvas with her composition. Looks beautiful. Let me know in the comments, please. Tell me if you like this design on this little canvas and the color choices I made today. Let me know. I'd love to hear from you. All right, everyone. I'm back here, and I'm gonna take you down for a much closer look. Sorry about that light, but look how beautiful she looks. She's got some cells here and there, just the right amount, I think. I think her design came out really, really stunning. She's very earthy looking, exactly what I was hoping for. But there's some elegance about her, and her colors look so gorgeous together. I can't wait till she dries. I think she'll be beautiful. So yeah, that's about it for me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this botanical pour today. I sure did. It brightened up my day. And if you haven't already done so, you can check out my Botanical Dutch Pour course if you would like to create art that's like this, and it takes you even beyond the Botanical Dutch Pour. I have several bonuses within my course. It's out on the Smart Art course platform, and I'm telling you, you guys will be so hooked. It is so fun. I share all of my tips and tricks step by step, I hope I'll see you there. There's a comment section within the course. I'll answer any questions. And I hope you join this beautiful community of creating beautiful, unique art. Back again with a quick review over the dried results of this beauty. I think she came out super pretty. A beautiful composition. Her colors are just gorgeous. Little hints of that blue here and there, just enough to say hello. But I really like how this one came out. I added a little bit of extra interest here and there on some of the leaves, as you can see. I think she just turned out so pretty. Let me know in the comments if you like this one. And if you haven't already heard about my Botanical Dutch Pour course, it's out on the Smart Art Courses platform. You too can create art that looks like this. I show you step by step. I show you so much more than what I do here on YouTube. So go check it out. Use code SAVE10 for a special discount. I hope to see you there, guys. And until next time, I hope you have a beautiful week. Bye for now.